Okay, so now I want to do another example about permutations versus combinations. My daughter was just watching Cat in the Hat, so let's see something about hats. So we're going to say that the cat has 30 hats. Just going to mix it up. And he wears a different one each day of the week. So he's going to wear a different hat, one hat, each day this week. So the question is, how many different, I'll say, sequences of hats can he wear? Because I'm considering the fact that he's wearing one hat on Monday and then a different hat on Tuesday, and if he wore a different hat on, or he switched those around and wore the Tuesday hat on Monday and then the Monday hat on Tuesday, I would say that's different. So how many different sequences of hats can he wear? Okay? The key thing is that that's a permutation, not a combination. Okay? So because I wrote sequences of hats. Okay? So that would be P. See, there's 30 hats, right? So P 37, right? In a week. Now, if the question was, maybe now the Cat in the Hat's going to start selling hats at a department store, and this is the Cat Week collection. So it doesn't really correspond to a particular day. It's just, here's the 7 hats that he wore that week. So if that was the situation, how many Cat Week collections are possible? So he's going to wear 7 hats in a week, and then he's going to sell those 7 hats in a store, but just kind of not really thinking about what was worn each week. That would be a combination, or each day, excuse me. That would be a combination of 32/7. Okay, there's just 7 hats that are being sold. And that would be basically if you just wanted a list of what did he wear that week, but you don't know which day. Now, what if he was going to consider the possibility of wearing the same hat more than once? If he thought, well, I'm going to wear a hat each day, so he's just wearing, the cat wears a hat each day. And it's possibly the same one. Then we'll go back to sequences. How many sequences of hats are possible? And that, well, he's at 30 choices each day, so that would actually be 30 to the 7th. Okay? So that's the difference there. So just remember, permutation, actually I'm going to write this down. So permutation, there's 2 aspects. One is that order matters, but also you're not repeating options. Okay? Combinations, order doesn't matter, but you're still not repeating options, okay? In that last situation where I did 30 to the 7th, where you're just multiplying, so let's call that version multiplying, that is order matters and repeats are allowed, which is not true for a permutation or a combination.